Hi, my name is Hannah, and today I'll be talking about adding and subtracting like terms. Adding like terms. The rules for like terms is number 1, all numbers are like terms. Number 2, all terms with the same combination of variables are like terms whether or not the variables are in the same order. And number 3, a variable term alone and the same term with a number in front of it are like terms. So first you want to write down the math problem. So for example, 3m plus 2m. Then you want to just add the numbers together. So 3 plus 2 equals 5. And finally you want to put the variable after the numbers or number. So 3 plus 2 equals 5. 3m plus 2m equals 5m. If you have just a variable like term math problem, then you want to do, for example, xrt plus trx. Remember that these are like terms even if they're out of order. So you would do, it would be 1xrt because even if the variable doesn't have a number in front of it, it still has 1. So 1xrt plus trx. Then add the numbers together, then put the variables. So 1 plus 1 equals 2. So 1xrt plus 1trx equals 2xrt or trx. The order doesn't matter. Subtracting like terms. And then I put the rules again all up at the top. So the first thing you want to do is write down the problem. So for example, 2mr minus mr. Remember that even if the variable doesn't have any number in front of it, there's always a number 1 in front of it. Then you want to subtract the numbers. So 2 minus 1 equals 1. And finally put the variables in front of the number or numbers. So 2 minus 1 equals 1 equals 1. 2mr minus mr equals 1mr or mr. It doesn't matter. It is the same thing. If you have just a variable like term math problem like y minus y, so the first thing you want to do is just subtract the numbers. Remember, even if the variable has nothing in front of it, there is a 1. So you would do 1y minus 1y equals 0 or 0y. It doesn't matter. The answer will still be correct. Thanks for watching my video. Bye.